Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
What's the deal, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with another banger. And as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm gonna be teaching y'all the basics on how to ride a motorcycle. This is not an MSF course. Please go take that. Ride your own ride. And yeah, we're here in a closed course, a parking lot. That's where you should try at. That's where you should learn at. Do not just jump straight on the street and try to go crazy. Please. Please, please, please. I don't want nobody getting hurt because of this video. So, yeah. I'm going to teach y'all the basics and let y'all know everything that you need to use on a bike in order to get it going and everything. But, yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. So, we're going to start by going over all of the controls on the bike. On the right side of your bike, right here, is your back brake, rear tire. Here in the front is your front brake for your front tire. Come over here to the left side. This is your shifter. Some people have quick shifters where you can just, when you're on the throttle, just pull up and click in the next gear. If you don't have a quick shifter, here's your clutch. You have to pull the clutch in order to pop the gear into the next one. So we have our clutch on the left. We have our brake on the right. Always remember that. Here's ignition. You're gonna take the key, put it in. Your bike will come on. It'll either be in neutral or first gear. Here's your kill switch. 9 times out of 10, your kill switch will already be on. You'll need to turn your kill switch off in order to start the bike. But other than that, I think that's about everything. And I can show you the gauges. This is how you start the bike. This is the high beam. This is the blinker. This is your hazards. This is the horn. This is how you change your rider modes. Hold it up. Go into sport mode, hold it down. It'll go back into rider mode, rain mode. I think it's there's rain mode. There's rider mode. You set this one up on your phone where you can set your traction control to be off, you know, quick shifter, all of that. And if you do have a Kawasaki, I learned this a few months into having my bike. You have to hold the select button and down at the same time, and it will turn the quick shifter mode off. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on this bike, and I'm gonna show y'all from there. You're gonna start from the left side of your bike on the kickstand side. You're gonna swing a leg over. Get it in a good, comfortable position. Remember your rear brake is there. You're gonna swing your bike off of the kickstand, straighten it out. Lift your kickstand up. Start your bike. It's gonna be in neutral. The kill switch will be on. You wanna pull your clutch in. Turn the kill switch off. Start the bike. Since the key is already pulled in, you'll press down on the shifter. It'll go into first gear. You'll slowly ease off your clutch. Ease off. Watch the speedometer. It's going to start to pick up speed. Once it pick up speed, 4. Now it's going to roll. You add a little power to the throttle, and you're on the road. Slight lean. And you just circle the parking lot. Pull your clutch in, shift up. Now you're on the road. Very simple. Pull your clutch in, shift down. Pull your front brake slightly. Drop your feet. Pull your shifter halfway up which will put it in neutral. Bring your kickstand down. Turn your bike to the left always. Click your kill switch. Swing that right leg back over. And we're back at square one. So I'm sure that was pretty simple. I probably made it too simple. Would y'all like me to run back over it again? It's a lot of controls, but it's very simple. Hopefully, this quick 10-minute video or less taught y'all everything y'all needed to know. We're gonna run it back one more time. We're gonna get on from this left side, swing a leg over, get comfortable, bring it off of the kickstand, kick that up, pull your clutch in, turn your kill switch off, start your bike, rev it a little bit if you feel like the RPMs is not moving like it need to. Kick it into first gear. It's in first. Ease off your clutch. As you ease off, you'll feel it start to roll. You don't have to press the throttle yet. When you see the speed pick up, 4 miles an hour, the bike is ready to roll. 5 miles an hour with no throttle control. You don't even have to pull the throttle off top. Slowly roll back on your throttle as you let off the clutch. And your bike will roll. If you pull the clutch all the way in, it'll cut the power off of the back tire. So watch this. Now it's just easing because I'm off of the throttle and I'm on the clutch. See, it went down to 0. Now it's just rolling, literally. I'm holding onto the clutch. Slowly tap your front brake, slowly. Bring your feet down. If you leave your bike in first gear and put it on the kickstand, it will turn the bike off. Remember that. And with it being in first gear and the kickstand down and your bike is turned off this way, it's gonna lock the back tire. So if you're on a hill or anything like that, it won't roll. So just throw it in first. But you can start your bike in first as well too. Let me show you. Take it off, bring it off the kickstand, pull the clutch all the way in, start the bike, rev a little bit. Sometimes other bikes just start without pulling in the clutch. But hey, to each his own. Try yours differently. Ride your own ride, take your time. But other than that, I think I kind of went through everything. I don't think I'm missing nothing. Don't forget to rear brake. I did slow down earlier telling y'all to slowly pull in the front brake, but you're supposed to apply both. I think it's 80 front brake, 20 rear brake. So be careful with this front brake because if you pull it too hard, this bike will go forward if you don't have ABS. If you do, you don't too much got to worry about that, but you still want to practice, doing the right thing. As well, if you put your bike in neutral or leave it in neutral and let go of the clutch, nothing will happen. If your bike is in first gear and you let go of the clutch completely, it's going to stall and turn off, basically. Once it turns off, then yeah.
Everybody sub right now!